up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we're gonna make a DIY journal using a long bond paper and of course the cutouts, colored paper and the cutouts. And you can check the link of our previous video on how to cut a flower design. We need of course glue and scissors if necessary. Okay, so let's start. First up is that I'm gonna fold these 5 pieces of long bond paper in half. Okay, since it's already folded, after folding in half, I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna glue it from the back. Guys, you don't have to glue too much because it will just take much time to get it dry off. Okay, so after we glue it, we're gonna design it now. Use some piece of our design. Glue it anywhere you want. Or you can glue it in the back if you want. I would want to put one in the back. Okay. And of course, don't forget to put some in front. This will remain as your title page. You can just write your name or whatever you want. And voila, that's it for today. We already have our very own journal because when you fold it in half, it's already gonna give you some 10 pages at least. Oh, it's not bad. I'm just having a little bit preview of, some photographs. Yeah, just like that, just a little paper like that. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, see you next time. Bye.